guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vanessa. I am a stay-at-home mom to two little kiddos. I have a 2-year-old little girl and just had a baby boy. He is already almost 3 months old. Life has been pretty busy adapting to 2 kids. It's been amazing, but definitely hard, definitely chaotic in our household right now. But I wanted to share just kind of a quick little morning routine just to kind of get myself back into posting. It'll be a short video, but just kind of show you guys what I do usually every morning. After the kids wake up, Ellie has breakfast, Ian of course has a bottle, and we go for a walk. So we try to get out and get some fresh air every day, especially first thing in the morning when it's a little bit cooler. It's super hot right now in Florida, so try to get out first thing, get some fresh air, get some steps in. And then I come back and Ellie usually has a snack, plays in the living room, and I unload the dishwasher. Then I changed out of my sweaty clothes for my walk and put on something else that is not flattering because I'm watching this footage. Sorry about that. And I start tidying up my dresser. Our dresser has just been like a dumping ground for all things, and it's been driving me bananas. So started to clean that off, and Ellie kept coming in and we were just dancing and having fun. My favorite secret weapon when I am trying to get a bunch of stuff done, but want Ellie to be entertained and have fun as well, is to pull out our Lovevery play kit. So today I'm showing you guys the new one that we just got. This is the Enthusiast. This one is so cute. They had so many fun toys in this one. She is enjoying so many. She's enjoying all of them, but I'll tell you what her favorites are. Lovevery is a play kit subscription. We have been with them for probably a year now, and we love their toys so much. They really take the guesswork out of trying to figure out what's age appropriate for your child, and being a parent is hard enough. I have so much on my plate right now between the 2 kids and like just trying to keep up with the house and with friends and like just everything that goes along with being an adult and a parent. So Lovevery is just one thing that I feel like I can count on. Every 2 to 3 months we get a new play kit that are designed by experts, and what I really love about this play kit right now is it's definitely giving her a sense of independence. Some of, in the past, she has always said, "Mommy, do it. Mommy, help. Mommy, play with me." And a little bit more right now, there's times where she really wants to be like held and cuddled and all the attention, but then there's other times that she really wants that independence, and these toys give her that for sure, and I love that. Wow, look at this thing.
That's a triangle.
Wow, is that a triangle? How many circles are in the triangle? 1.
I want to play with.
You want to play with it? Okay. Oh, wow. Do you know what shape this is?
It does too.
It's a square?
Let's put it in.
Let's put it in. Very good. Wow, good job. It fits.
Key?
Green, that's right. This looks fun, Ellie. What color is that?
That's blue.
That's blue. Very good.
Oh no, teacup.
Are those plates?
It's have a pepper. There you go, Mama.
Oh, thank you, Ellie.
That's a plate.
It's a plate. Thank you.
It's a napkin.
A napkin? That's right. That is a napkin.
Are you having napkin too?
Ellie wants a napkin too? Oh. There are 2 napkins.
I don't have what's a teacup. I'll put it in a cup.
Pour it in the cup? Wow, thank you.
Let's put it in the It's cleaning the windows.
Ellie's cleaning the windows? Very good.
I can use as easy.
You gonna use your squeegee? Okay, go ahead. Yep, go down. Good job.
Oh, down.
Up and down, up and down,
Up and down.
up and down. Do you want Mommy to show you? Oh, very good. You can go side to side too. Very good. You're such a good helper, Ellie. Her favorite toy in this box has definitely been this little tea set. She absolutely loves it. She takes everything out of the box and she'll set up her little tablecloth, and she'll either have a tea party with one of her stuffed animals or with me if I'm there with playing with her. And she'll give me a plate and a teacup and pour the tea. So she's the hostess of the party. It's so sweet, and it's translated into her wanting to help with setting the table at dinner time and that whole thing, which has been awesome. And then she also really loves the spray bottle and squeegee. She gets such a kick out of it. When I go into the kitchen and I'm like doing the dishwasher or something, I have her squeegee and spray bottle right on the table next to the back door, and she'll say, Ellie needs to clean the windows first. And it's so sweet. So she'll clean the windows. It's kind of like part of her little routine, and I love that she gets excited about this kind of stuff and the real life play. So if you are interested in becoming a Lovevery Play Kit subscriber, it's super easy. Just follow the link in my description box down below. You'll just put in your child's birth date and then get set up with the Play Kit subscription. You'll get a new box every 2 to 3 months. The toys will be perfectly curated for your child's age and developmental milestones. Trust me on this, it's so worth it. Such an investment into your kids, and we couldn't be more happy with them. Thank you to Lovevery for gifting us this box, and we're going to wrap up the video. Let's keep going. All right, we are closing out our morning, making a little bit of lunch, and you guessed it, we're making peanut butter and jelly, Ellie's absolute favorite thing right now. Probably have it like 4 times a week, at least. So we are making it. She is standing on her little helper stool. We got it a couple months ago. I can't remember if I've shown it on my channel or not, but we got a nice little petite one that's great for our small kitchen and kind of storing it away when we're not using it, but she loves it. She loves to help cook, or at least just see what we're doing. She loves to wash her hands. So anyway, it's been great. So she's helping me make her peanut butter and jelly with her little kitty utensils, and Ian is taking a nap. So typically what I do is I'll make lunch with her, and she'll eat lunch while Ian is taking a little cat nap. And then after I put her down for her nap at 1, I'll wake him up, feed him, and then put him back down. And then I usually get like an hour and a half or so to myself to either get stuff done or just to hang out and like relax for a minute after like a long morning. So yeah, that's typically what our morning looks like. I try to prioritize getting outside if we can, try to get some fresh air, try to get some outside playtime, especially early in the morning before it gets too hot. We've been having a lot of rain too. So yeah, try to get outside and play and get stuff done. So anyway, that's what a typical morning looks like at our house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe to my channel or like this video. I would love to have you around, and I will see you guys very soon. Hope you're doing well. Bye.